I still can't talk because it feels like I just woke up. I did just wake up. Good morning. Okay. Oh, whenever you're watching this. So today I'm feeling a little Sunday reset, and I'm still in my pajamas, so give me a minute. I'm just gonna go change that. I'm back, and I've changed into some casual clothing. My skin has been such a mess lately. I went to Arizona, and I don't know if it was the water or something. I really don't want to wear makeup too much because I feel like it'll just make it worse. So it's just early. It's kind of early. I woke up at 9. That's another thing about my Sundays. I don't really like to wake up too early because it's a Sunday. I don't want to wake up too early on the weekend since I have to wake up mad early when I'm going to work. So I kind of just let myself rest, and whenever I feel like waking up, I do. And today I woke up exactly at 9. And yeah, so I just kind of got ready, brush my teeth, wash my face and all that. My Sunday morning really are pretty basic or pretty normal. I let myself wake up at whatever time I want to, because on Monday to Friday I have to wake up a little earlier since I have to go to work. So I usually wake up around 7:30 or 8 when I have to go to work. But on the weekend I just let myself, I kind of let my body do its thing. I'm like, if you want to stay in bed till 9, 10, 11, it's just gonna happen. I've been having a really busy fall. Like, got a new job, moved out of an apartment, moved into a new apartment. I'm living alone now. Went to Arizona for like a whole week for a business trip. So it's been pretty chaotic that I haven't been really resting. So that's what I've been doing now. On my Sundays, I'm gonna be resting. Okay, so the first thing I do before I start cleaning, I put on some music. Right now I'm playing my workout playlist. I feel like I should do a cleaning playlist. I think I'm in the process of doing one right now. It's called Dance Like No One's Watching, but I think I like it for when I'm cleaning too, because it's really happy and exciting to listen to. So I usually clean my bedroom first when I'm cleaning. I'll do my bed, and then I'll move on to my mirrors. I have two large mirrors. Well, this one is like a half mirror that's on my dresser, and I have a full body mirror. I don't know, they just feel like it takes forever to clean them because they're big, and also I feel like every time I clean it there's going to be smudges. That's why you'll see me step back, or I always take a selfie after I finish cleaning my mirrors, just so I could see if it's properly cleaned. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's my logic. I think I mentioned it before, but I'm not sure. But anyways, I recently just moved into this apartment 2 weeks ago from the time that I was filming this video. So this was actually my first time cleaning everything, as in I cleaned when I moved in, but until then this was my first time. It was a week or 2 weeks later that I was actually doing all this cleanup. So I feel like there were a lot of smudges on both of my mirrors, and then I have a bathroom mirror. There's a big mirror in my bedroom, and then another full body mirror. So I feel like there was just a lot to clean because I saw smudges everywhere, and I just wanted to make sure it was perfect. That's why I always take a selfie after I clean a mirror. Ignore my dancing. I feel like I forgot I was filming. So I would say my apartment is a work in progress. I mean, I'm editing this like a few weeks later. Sorry. But even then, I still feel like it's a work in progress because there's still things I want to change here and there. But I am really taking it slow because I don't want to rush like the decoration process and the design process and then not like it. So I'm really waiting for things to come to me as I go. For example, I still don't have any artwork in my bedroom, and I really want something by my bed, but sometimes I don't. But if I have something, if I put any artwork in my space, I really want it to be intentional and for it to mean something to me. I also don't want it to bother my consciousness. Like I don't want to put anything that's in any way dark around my house. So I want it to be really uplifting, but I also want it to be aesthetically pleasing to my liking. So I feel like I make it more complicated than it needs to be, but that's my headspace right now. That's where I'm at. I'm just like, if I'm gonna put anything, especially in my bedroom, I feel like my bedroom is kind of like my calming space, you know? So I want everything in there to be intentional and also to be uplifting, but also aesthetically pleasing to me at the same time. I feel like I should watch some more cleaning or like some more Sunday reset videos before I start filming my next one, because I feel like this, I don't know, I don't really watch many of them on YouTube. I try not to watch too many other creators' videos because I don't want it to affect the way I record. I kind of want it to be something that I do without having too much of influence from somebody else's work. So that's why I don't really usually watch the videos I'm about to film. I do enjoy other people's Sunday reset videos every now and then, but when I'm about to film something, I try to not watch other people's versions of it. So I'm not sure if people are all constantly talking. So I'm going to stop talking for now and just put some music video as I'm cleaning. And dresser don't have much on it. I have a plant, a candle on that side. And this candle is not even always here. Sometimes it's outside. It's usually outside. I think I just wanted the smell in my room today, so I was just like, let me bring this up here. But I ended up lighting up a different candle. I have a lot of candles, like I said. This is another one here, one here, one here. I got one on this thing over there that you can see in the mirror. And then on this side, I have some candles and some of my perfumes, and they are the ones I wear very often. This is my top favorite one. And this is one that I wear when, like, I don't need to wear perfume because it's super inexpensive and I don't adore the smell. So, like, I'll wear it when I'm going to the gym. Yeah, I don't think I'll do a tour because the place is not done yet, but I do like how it's coming together. It films, that's why I want a white curtain or just something more calm, like maybe a blue, like a very light blue, because I feel like the room looks really calm and just quiet and calm. I really like it in here, although I don't stay in here much until nighttime. I'm usually out in the living room if I'm not working, but it's really my favorite place in here because it feels so calm. Like, I don't know, it just, I love it in here. So I have these LED lights on my ceiling, you know, the one that turns pink, blue, or whatever, but this is my absolute favorite color to light up because for some reason it just makes the room almost look like it's at sea or just somewhere really calm, and it always calms me down when my room is this color and it's clean. So I got this from Amazon to clean with. I bought one for kitchen, one for bathroom, but when I was moving in this place, there was a lot of cleaning happening. So the one for bathroom completely finished. That's why I was using that Ajax powder thing to clean the bathroom. I usually use both Ajax and the spray, but yeah, it finished and I didn't even know it until I went to check, and then it was like there was no more left. This is almost done too. Like, you can hear just a very tiny bit. I can see it like right here. So, but they're super cheap on Amazon. I think this was like $2 and something. So I'm just gonna buy two more. Not two more of this, but like I'm gonna buy a kitchen one and another bathroom one because I really like cleaning with them. I feel like it just makes life so much easier. Share my world, don't you understand? So you probably weren't wondering, but this is my favorite part in my bathroom. I have this wax melt from Amazon, and I make the okay, I have the wax melter from Amazon, but I make the wax melts myself. But you can also buy them from Amazon. So it's pretty much, if you don't want to use a candle, I don't want to use a candle in my bathroom because I feel like I don't use it too much. So I don't want to light up anything and then completely forget it for a few hours and have my place be on fire. Can you imagine? Anyways, I'm getting off track. But yeah, so you add these wax melts in your wax melter and it makes the whole place smells amazing. They come in different scents. You can make it yourself. I usually make my own. After they run out, though, I'm probably going to start buying them. But I absolutely love using these in my bathroom. But it makes the whole apartment smells great. So I'm gonna clean the tub now. I'm gonna put the camera out because, well, first it's dying, but also it's a small place and I kind of just want to feel free. Like, this is my first time kind of cleaning and filming at the same time since I moved to my apartment, and doing anything while filming is just a little more work, honestly. So okay, so it's kitchen slash living room cleaning part. I kind of live almost in a studio apartment, but not really. I feel like, I mean, that's kind of the way almost all New York apartments are. Not all of them, but a lot of them. So it's super small and whatever. I do have a bedroom, but the kitchen and the living room is kind of just like one big room. So I have the kitchen in this area and then a desk in the middle, and then before my after the a desk in the middle, and then right after the desk is my couch, and then so forth. So I'm gonna start in the kitchen, but the good thing is I don't really have much to clean because I usually kind of keep cleaning this space as I go. Like every night after I make a mess in the living room before I go to sleep, I kind of fix the pillows and whatever, just because I feel like it makes my life easier. I like to wake up to a nice and clean space. So I'm just gonna clean the stove. Everything else is kind of clean because I kind of started cleaning last night. I don't like leaving it all for one day, especially for Sundays, because I really like resting on Sundays. So I'm gonna put some dishes away. I think that's all really. I'm gonna put some dishes away, clean the stove, and then mop the floor. So I'm just gonna sit here for a while because when I've been on my feet for too long, my legs just want to break. So I'm gonna sit here for a while, go back to watching a show, and yeah, I'll come back when it's time to cook. Okay, so it's dinner time. I wasn't able to find some of my scenes that I shot. Like, for example, when I mopped the living room, I was not able to find a lot of my scenes. So we're skipping to dinner. I'm simply making some salmon with green beans and mashed potatoes. This is one of my favorite things to cook. I'm always making salmon, I'm always making mashed potatoes, and I don't know, they're easy because I feel like you can't beat it. Salmon always tastes good almost no matter what or how you cook it, but my favorite way is to just simmer it in some butter, garlic, and some seasoning. Do some mashed potatoes on the side. I use my air fryer to make some green beans. It's super simple, it's super easy when you make green beans in the air fryer. It also comes really crispy, which I love. So that was my dinner, and that kind of is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, next time I'm filming, I will do better because I'm only learning and growing from here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. That's true, and I'm digging you.